The graceful butterfly. The graceful butterfly. Okay, so you go. Oh, wait. It's recording, isn't it? It's recording.
We should probably have some water before we do the outro.
Now I need to go to the toilet before we go to the outro.
Okay. Wait, the camera's still on.
Is it?
No.
Is the camera still on?
Is it filming?
No.
Whoops.
Thanks for stealing all the Oreos, Ellie. Okay, let's film this outro. 3. Hi guys. Ellie. Okay. 3, 2, 3. Hi guys.
Wait.
3, 2, 1.
Hi guys.
Look, okay, ready? 3, 2, 1. Hi guys. Ellie. Okay, wait. Take 4.
No, it's like takes 70 million.
Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1. Hi guys.
Just
say today we're doing the Oreo challenge. Hurry up.
That's usually your bit.
3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Hi guys.
Today we're doing the Oreo challenge.
So what this challenge is we have a packet of Oreos, and what we have to do is we have to get an Oreo and put it on our forehead, and we have to try and get it from our forehead into our mouth.